Good morning, children. Social Science, Unit 2, Agriculture. Introduction. Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops, and raising livestock. It has become a necessity for the humans. Agriculture led to the development of human civilization. India is an agricultural country. 1/3 of our national income comes from agriculture. Farmers in India. A farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals. India is a land of farmers. It is called so because majority of Indians are directly or indirectly involved in agricultural activities. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy. Farmers who cultivate in an area less than 1 hectare are called micro farmers. Types of farming. There are several types of farming. Subsistence farming. In subsistence farming, crops are cultivated and used only for own family consumption. Commercial farming. Unlike subsistence farming, here the crops are cultivated for commercial use and is sold in markets. This method of farming is done by using modern tools and techniques. Plantation farming. Plantation farming is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. Mixed farming. Mixed farming refers to the rearing of animals along with the cultivation. This type of farming is economical. The government has set up agencies like the Food Corporation of India to purchase the farm products directly from the farmers at reasonable rates. Ulavar Sandai. In order to eliminate the middlemen between farmers and consumers, the government of Tamil Nadu introduced the new concept, namely Ulavar Sandai. Water resource for agriculture. There are no perennial rivers in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu depends on northeast and southwest monsoon. Hence, agriculture in Tamil Nadu is dependent on groundwater. Central Groundwater Board monitors the level and nature of groundwater. Irrigation. Irrigation is the supply of water to land or crops for the purpose of agricultural production. Types of irrigation. Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is a less expensive type of irrigation. Canal irrigation. Canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. Most of the North Indian canals are perennial. The main canal irrigated areas are in the northern plains of India such as Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Bihar. Sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation is similar to natural rainfall. Water is sprayed through pipes in the air through sprinklers. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that saves water and soil nutrients. In this system, water drips slowly into the roots of plants through pipes. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan of Tamil Nadu is known as father of Green Revolution in India. Green Revolution is a process which brought an increase in crop production by using new varieties of seeds, pesticides and new agricultural techniques. Animal husbandry is a branch of agriculture. It is to raise animals for meat, fur, milk, eggs and other products. Horticulture is the science of art of cultivating fruits, vegetables, flowers or ornamental plants. Important crops in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has different types of soil, rainfall and weather across its districts. It is suitable for the production of fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops, flowers, medicinal and aromatic plants. Horticulture is the fastest growing sector within agriculture in Tamil Nadu. Paddy is grown in large areas because rice is the main staple food of the state. The principal good crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, ragi and pulses. The cash crops include cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds, coffee, tea, rubber, coconut, ginger and chilies. Mango and banana are the leading fruit crops of Tamil Nadu. The main flowers grown in Tamil Nadu are jasmine, chrysanthemum, marigold and rose. Tanjavur is an important agricultural center located in Kaveri Delta. It is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Cropping seasons in Tamil Nadu. Navarai, Sornavari, Kar, Kuruvai, Samba, Talladi.